Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're unboxing a Luxe quarterly subscription box called Box of Style. This box is created by Rachel Zoe. I actually don't really know who she is, but I believe she's a celebrity stylist. I saw their ad on Facebook and they were promoting their spring 2019 box. This box usually costs about $99 a season, which is a lot for a subscription box, and this is the most I have ever paid for a subscription box. But since they were doing a promotion for $25 off, I decided to look into it. And as soon as I clicked on the link, they also mentioned that if you are a new subscriber, they will be giving away a free tote bag, and I believe it's called the Jules K tote bag, and it's worth $150. So with the $25 discount, the whole box came out to $75, and I thought that's something that I can afford, so I went ahead and ordered it. The box arrived, and because the box came with a free tote, that's why it's in this like larger brown box. I don't really know how they usually ship their subscription boxes, but this is just an everyday brown curated box. And let's have a look inside. All right, so when you open it, it's just a normal shipping box, nothing spectacular here. We've got craft paper here for you to recycle. And this is the tote bag that I got. Ooh. And this is the box. This is the Box of Style. Oh, it's so nice. This will definitely make a great storage box. All right, let's I'm jumping ahead. All right, so this is the free tote bag that I got. I think this tote bag was actually included in one of their previous boxes from last season. Maybe it was holiday 2018. Maybe they had extra inventory left over and they just decided to give it out to new subscribers for spring 2019. I remember looking at some of their previous boxes on their website and I was like, ooh, that's a really cute bag. I wish it came with this season subscription. But they were giving out for free. So I was like, all right, I'm going to definitely try it out. This is a Jules K X Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. So it looks like they've partnered up together to make this tote bag. Let's have a look. There's some extra packaging here. So there aren't any additional pockets inside this bag. It's basically just a big bucket bag with their logo on the inside. And it also comes with an additional strap. So if you wanted to wear it with a longer strap, you can do that. This bag is not leather, which makes sense because leather bags are expensive, so this is a vegan leather, aka another word for plastic leather. So this is just a really nice tote bag. I do notice some, like a bit of a thread coming out, or not really coming out, but you notice that there's like a bit of thread hasn't been cut here, so maybe I can just trim that off. But otherwise, it looks like an okay quality bag. I'm curious to see if it'll fit my laptop and some of my other work essentials. The color is like a tan color. It's really nice. I'm pretty impressed by this bag. It's not leather, but I got it for free, so cool. Okay, now let's move on to the box. So this is the spring 2019 Box of Style. It comes in a really nice like leather feeling like box, and I think there's there's a magnetic closure here so you can use it for storage. And let's have a look. Hello gorgeous, hashtag Box of Style. Oh, this is a really neat box. It's like really good quality. So there's just a clear Box of Style sticker here, and it's nicely wrapped in tissue paper. As soon as you like feel this box, you can already tell that it's really luxe, and that's probably why this box costs $100 normally. I want to believe that everything inside is extra luxurious. It's not just your everyday items. So let's have a look. So you get a little pamphlet here, and even the pamphlet is like a nice matte finish. It just feels very expensive. So it looks like you have a note from Rachel Zoe. This is her right here. And it looks like she's wearing one of the scarves that comes in this box. It just tells you a little bit more about their items. All right, so let's try to do it together. So when you open it, whoa, everything is like nicely packaged. All right, I'm gonna start with the first item that's on top of this box. So this is a Tribe Alive, I believe it's a clutch. And so I'm gonna open this and so we can go over it together. It comes in a nice little dust bag. The retail value for this clutch is $78, and it's actually completely leather. It's not vegan leather or plastic or anything. It's actually genuine leather. And I appreciate that because I like leather items. Ooh, it feels so nice. I'm actually dressed to fit this out of the box today, if you couldn't tell already. All right, so this is the clutch. It looks like there's 2 enclosures here that you just pop open, and it's a really small size clutch, so it'll be good for just going out, or if you're attending an event or something. There's no strap. It's just kind of like you just kind of hold it. But this is leather, so cool. And you can like fit your phone in here and maybe a notebook, some keys and some lipsticks or something, but this is cute. I like it. All right, retail value for this bag is $78. All right, the next item that we got, Edible Beauty Australia. So this is a Gold Rush eye balm. Look at the packaging on this thing. There's like gold foil. Ooh, this also feels very luxurious. All right, so this is a Gold Rush eye balm, Edible Beauty. A lightweight eye balm providing a gold rush to the eyes. This balm has been formulated to assist in reducing eye puffiness and in smoothing and rejuvenating the eyes area to leave the eyes feeling brighter, radiant, and energized. That's something I definitely need. And let's see. Ooh, and it comes in this black jar. It's a little bit on a small side, but this is how eye creams. Whoa, there's actually pieces of gold in here. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. I don't want to touch it because my hands are dirty from opening the box, but whoa. There's gold in my eye balm. Is it real gold? Our Edible Beauty Promise, skincare that's good enough to eat. And I'm just looking at the ingredients here, and it looks like a lot of the ingredients that they use are organic, so that's really good. They don't test on animals, and it's chemical free and vegan. Not for human consumption. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my eye cream with gold. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to try this out. This is by Edible Beauty once again, and the retail value for this is $65. The next item is a skin gym, and this is a rose quartz gua sha sculpting tool. So this has becoming a pretty big trend in the beauty industry, like these gua sha accessories, and also like the jade rolling things. Whoa. And sorry, so I guess that they're borrowing from, oh my gosh, this is like a real stone. It's a rose quartz gua sha stone. Wow, that's really cool. So I guess people are finally realizing the benefits from Chinese medicine, and they're bringing it to the mass market, which is really cool. All right, so this is the skin gym. It feels so delicate, and like, I just like, oh, so luxurious. All right, so this is the skin gym rose quartz gua sha sculpting tool, and I think you just kind of like push back your face, and it has a nice cool feeling to it because it's like a stone. And so I think you just kind of like, I mean, obviously you have to put on your face, but I have makeup on, so I don't want to do that. But when you have a clean face, you can just kind of like push back your skin and give yourself a facial massage. That's cool. I'm really excited to be trying this. It looks like this didn't really come with an additional packaging, so I don't really know how to store this. Maybe I'll just find an additional bag or something to put this in, but this is cool. I don't like how they have the logo here. It just makes this product look really cheap. Like the font that they use is very generic, and it says skin gym. That just doesn't sound very nice, but still pretty cool regardless. And the next item is a Michelle Kemble, I think this is a bracelet set. And it also, again, came in its own little bag. And these are just gold bangles. Ooh, this is cute. So there's actually 2 of these. So on the booklet here, it says, wear together or on separate wrists to add polish to your everyday samples. So tiny, I hope it fits. And this is what it looks like. There are some like crystal stones here. This one looks like it's about to fall off, so I don't know, you probably can't see that. Gonna have to put some glue on here. The retail value for these bangles are $125. So let's see if it fits. All right, so you can kind of like adjust it to your wrist. Gold talon bracelet. So obviously this is not real gold, it's gold talon. And, oh, actually it says $215 is the retail value. I don't know if I'd be paying $215 for this, but it's cute and it came in a box. So I'm gonna be wearing it for the rest of this video. All right, and I believe the final item in this box is a silk scarf, and you were actually able to choose the pattern on your scarf. There were only 2 options, and I chose this like leopard print And this is 100% silk. Oh, it's like really sheer. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, that's so nice. So this is by Chan Lu, 100% silk, made in India. Oh my goodness. Very luxurious. All right, let's see what it looks like on me. Ooh, cute. Oh, I like this. It's a little bit dark for spring, but if you're wearing black or brown or a earthy color, I think it'll be really cute. And let me see if I can show you the other style. I don't know if it's in here. Yeah, this is the floral print was the other option. I normally like floral print. This one didn't really scream out to me, so I ended up choosing this one. And there's different ways you can wear it. Rachel's got it on her head here, and I'm pretty sure you can wear it on your wrist. Yep, you can wear it on your wrist like this. And there's different ways to wear it on your neck as well. Cute. All right, I kind of look like a flight attendant. So let's see here. This outfit actually matches everything that I've been getting in this box. All right, I'm just gonna wear it like this for now. Cool. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this box. A quick summary here. So this box was, normally this box would be $99 a season. But I used my coupon code for $25, so this was only $75. I think they charge a couple dollars extra for tax. All right, so just a quick recap in what we got. I'm gonna count this box because this box is so pretty. You can definitely reuse this for storage. So everything that came in this box included a leather clutch, gold talon bangles, a 100% silk scarf, this gold rush eye balm, and a gua sha sculpting tool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items altogether, plus a free tote bag. That's a pretty good deal for $75. Everything that I got, I'm really happy with. I definitely am going to use all of the items that I got, and so I think it was worth the money. The good thing about this box is that they revealed all of the items that came in this box, so I didn't have any like unpleasant surprises when I ordered this. I don't know if I'm going to be continuing into the summer season just because it'll be my second box by then and I won't have the $25 off or this free gift. So I have to see if I can afford a second box for $100. We are a couple weeks into spring already, so maybe the company had extra boxes and they just really wanted to sell out, so they started offering this free gift. So maybe for the summer box, they'll also have the same thing. If you wait a couple weeks, maybe they'll start throwing in free things and a $25 discount code as well. All right, so that was unboxing Box of Style. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're also on Facebook and Instagram, so make sure to check me out there as well. And if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe because I have a ton of unboxings coming up and I'm really excited to be showing you guys. If I'm able to find that coupon code that I used, I'll be sure to link it or leave it in a comment section below so you can check it out as well if you like. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!